How much time do you devote daily to self-care? I'm not just talking about bubble baths, naps, and face masks. I'm talking about self-care in the form of exercise. If your answer is not a lot, I invite you to join my challenge this month. It's September Self-Care Month at Justin Agustin Fitness. I'm dedicating this entire month to self-care with a special challenge to help you prioritize your well-being. 7 days a week, 7 exercises a day for 7 minutes long, all dedicated to self-care. Every day, I will guide you through 7 gentle yet powerful exercises. We're diving into my 7 essential S's in fitness: strength, stamina, stability, steps, stretching, sculpting, and sweating. I'm so excited for you to join. Please take this opportunity to prioritize yourself. You are important too. And if you're not a member yet, it's so easy to join. Just go to justinagustin.com, choose a plan that works for you, and then dive right in. Don't forget to download the Justin Agustin Fitness app so you can play my videos on your mobile, on your smart TV, on your browser, wherever you feel most comfortable watching and exercising. Let's do this September. Let's keep the consistency going. You're doing absolutely amazing. I can't wait to see you there. You totally got this.